Today I am redoing my refrigerator, and I'm going to take you guys with me because I actually don't really know why. I figured it would be fun to take you guys with and do our little grocery run. Now we're going to go grocery shopping, and I have a whole list on my phone of stuff that I need to pick up. I just got a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon, so we're going to get all the groceries and reorganize my fridge together. Right, Michael? Actually, Michael's probably getting a nap, so it's just gonna be you and me, okay? You and me. So, let's go get these groceries.
We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose.
Just got home, and here are most of the groceries. I put away all of our meat that we just got. We just got all sorts of meat and stuff, so I just put it all in there. We're not gonna work on this portion yet. But yeah, we have a whole bunch of stuff. I was gonna do a haul, but this is honestly way too big of stuff to do a massive haul, so we're just gonna work on this. Alrighty, so this is my fridge so far. It's a disaster. I already know. Don't tell me, okay? The reason we're doing this video is because I saw like this picture and this picture on Pinterest, and I was like, I want my fridge to look like that. Not like this, like that. You know what I mean? You know the vibes, okay? We just don't want to do this anymore. So I went on Amazon, like the good little girl that I always am. I'm always on Amazon. Maybe I'll make a storefront. Ooh, I'll make a storefront. Let's do that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got on Amazon to organize all of this stuff so you guys have an idea of what I'm working with. Everything that will be in this video will also be in the description. Material-wise, I'm obviously not putting my grocery list on there. Unless you really want a detailed grocery list, then. I got a 2-pack of these on Amazon. Actually, I ordered 2-packs, so I have 4 of these. I have a 2-pack of these, which is just a 32-ounce thing of like a jar. Then I picked up this glorious thing right here. So these are just acrylic containers for putting everything, organizing everything into my fridge. And this is what we're gonna use. I did buy 2 packs of these, so this is only half of what we're working with today. Last but certainly not least, I got 2 of these long acrylic bins, and I want to do my drinks in these and Michael's drinks in the other one. So first things first, we are going to completely clear out all of these bins, take out everything that is bad, could be bad, any of that, empty, throw away, all that good stuff. So pretty much just clear everything. That's what we're gonna do right now. Next, I'm just going to clean off all of the shelves and the bins with some Lysol wipes. This is what we're working with right now, and this is mainly what we're going to focus on. So I'm just going to use all those containers I showed you and fill it all in.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. Did you like? I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping.
this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that it was low-key relaxing. If you guys want, I feel like you guys totally should just redo your fridge with me. It was super fun, and it's weird to say fun because it's literally just cleaning out my refrigerator, reorganizing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget I will leave all of the containers I used down in the description. I love you guys so much. Bye!